Guangzhou New View Electrical and Lighting Company Limited, established in 2007, is a high-tech manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of LED Headlight Kit, by LED Projector Lens, LED Fog Lens, OEM Ballast, and LED Working Lamp. We are located in Guangzhou with 255 workers covering 7,513 square meter, Class 100,000 clean SMT workshop and convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including full automatic production line, SMT placement machine, reflow soldering and automatic terminal machine, etc. Obtained ISO 9001 certification in 2010. Recognized as a Technology Little Giant Auto Lighting Enterprise in 2015. Accredited as a National High-Tech Enterprise in 2016. Gained ISO 14001 certification in 2019. And honored as a Province, A-level specialized, refined, distinctive, and novel enterprise in 2022. In addition, we have obtained more than 70 patents. Also, a Mark, CE, DOT and ROSE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces in China. Our products are mostly exported to clients in such countries as North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Mideast. Welcome OEM and ODM orders.